Happy April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day is celebrated throughout the world on April 1st. On that day, people usually play practical jokes and pranks. Let's learn more about this famous day. Origin of April Fool's Day. The day probably began in 1582, when the calendar was changed in Europe. The beginning of the new year was changed to January 1st from April 1st, but some people still followed the old starting date. These people were called April Fools. April Fool's Day in the media. Many newspapers, magazines, and TV stations play pranks on this day. They have made up fake countries, products, and even people. For example, the BBC News Company aired a documentary about flying penguins in 2008. In 1998, Burger King introduced a left-handed burger. However, these companies should be careful because sometimes people really believe these stories.